Hello, and welcome to another episode of 5 Minutes with Freed. I'm your host, Michael Freed. I'm a litigation partner in the matrimonial and family law firm of Berkman, Botker, Newman, and Shine, with offices in New York City, Westchester, and Long Island. And today, my special guest is Cynthia Runge of the Peridot Law Firm. So, Cynthia, welcome to 5 Minutes with Freed.
Thank you, Michael. I appreciate you having me on the show.
Sure. So, Cynthia, what is the Peridot Law Firm and what's your role in the company?
So, Peridot Family Law is a full-service family law firm. We're in Boston. And I wanted to capture a name that gave the feel of what we tried to do for our clients, which is, a lot of times when people are working with divorce attorneys, they have a relationship that's coming to an end. But every ending is also a new beginning, and we want to help them move forward in the most positive, healthful way that we can. And so that's where the name Peridot came from, sort of that stone, which is really a sort of a bright, effervescent green, which kind of makes me think of spring and new growth.
Nice. Okay. So, Cynthia, you know that I'm a matrimonial and family law attorney in New York State. How would my clients most often require your services?
So I'm also admitted in New York. Occasionally, I do work on cases that sometimes it'll be interesting. You'll have a case that might involve New York law as well as Massachusetts law. So I can be helpful in those instances. But also, you might have friends or family who live in the Boston area. And we're always, happy to help folks and get through the family law process in Massachusetts.
Perfect. So, Cynthia, what are the challenges that you face in your area of work?
I would say one of the big challenges for us still is sometimes getting into court when we have to. Sometimes on an emergency basis, you have to make your pleadings, really state your case to make sure the judge will deem your issue an emergency. But beyond that, we're still struggling very much with getting in front of a judge quickly. So it can be a challenge for our clients.
Of course. So, Cynthia, what would be the best way for a prospective client or other professional like myself to contact you?
The best way is probably just check out our website, which is peridotfamilylaw.com. We have contact information there, our office address and email, and my staff would be happy to get back to anyone who reaches out.
That's great. So now, Cynthia Runge, we've now come to the most important part of our show,
All right, I'm waiting.
and that's the question of the week. So, Cynthia Runge, this is your question of the week.
Okay.
What season would you choose if you had to choose between winter, autumn, spring, or summer for the rest of your life, and why?
Uh, I think the older I get, the more I think about it, it would have to be summer. And I just love the warm weather. Summer always seems too short, and it seems like a great way to ride out the rest of my life.
I tell you, I love it. That's a great answer. And Cynthia Runge, you've said it all. You are helping people in the Boston area transition after divorce one day at a time. And I want to thank you for being a wonderful guest on 5 Minutes with Freed.
Thank you so much, Michael.